Chapter 12.2 Pyramids, brought to you by a dead pharaoh, and probably his cat. A pyramid looks something like this. It comes with a base, a height. Notice that the height is not actually part of the pyramid. It goes from the top point here, right, the vertex, straight down, okay, making a right angle with the base. A lateral face is similar to a lateral face in a prism, except in this particular case, and in all cases with pyramids, they are triangles. Now the height of one of those lateral faces is called the lateral height. See how that kind of fits together? Now the apothem is actually not really a new term, because we learned that when we have any sort of base like so, and this is a regular polygon here, that we're going to have an apothem is just the height of one of the triangles that we can cut this regular polygon into. Okay. What do the height, the lateral area, and the apothem form? Well, you can see here that they form a right triangle. Now the surface area can be gotten by simply looking at what our lateral faces are. Now our lateral faces are just triangles. So we can use the slant height, which is the height of our lateral faces, okay, to find the lateral face area, which will in turn help us to find the surface area. So the slant height is the height of the lateral face, and the base here is actually just the side of our base here. So in this case, a square. Well, we have 4 of these, so all we really need to do is find the area of a lateral face, multiply it by the number of faces, in this case 4, then also find the area of our base, which in this case, and in all cases with pyramids, we only have 1. Here's a video on the volume for a cone and a cylinder. Now, you might be asking, hey, Mr. Cooley, we're dealing with pyramids in this case. As it turns out, prisms and pyramids have the same relationship that cylinders and cones have, and that is that the volume of a prism, and in fact a cylinder as well, which we'll learn about next section, is just the base area times the height. We'll learn that last section. Well, since we know that a cone is just 1/3 of a cylinder, we actually also know that a pyramid is 1/3 of the prism. So this is the formula for the volume of a pyramid.